Took video of this yesterday, but it didn't turn out. So this is all the shit that came down in the snowstorm. That tree's about, I don't know, 7, 8 feet around, maybe 4.5, 5 foot across. And there's the tree. And there's the branch on his roof. And if the branch wouldn't have landed on his roof, that tree would have hit his bedroom right in the corner. And he probably wouldn't be talking to me today. And then this one came down. All this stuff came down. More up there. And all this came down. This, my bag of chicken food there, that came down. There's that tree in the background right there. There's the stuff on his roof. A bunch of stuff came down next door, all over the place. And there's my bike. Let's give you a good shot to end on. There you go. That's looking across the valley. See you later, guys.